G'day, John Bow here for Gray's Classic Cars Online, and I have something very special here. It's a VN Group A Commodore, the last of the homologation specials, and I raced against them in 90, 91, into 92. They were very, very special cars, very few built, around 300. They intended to build 500 but didn't make it for some other reason. And this is a very good example, so I'll show you around it. Apologise for the rain and the noise because it's absolutely typical Melbourne winter weather even though it's spring. So let's have a look at the engine. These were special engines built by HSV to homologate them with the twin throttle body for the racing car. So they're actually quite grunty engines and very particular to this car. Look how immaculate it is. It's beautiful. It's beautiful inside. It's just how it left the factory. Usually people put these mats on the dash to cover up cracks and things, but look at it. It's like brand spanking new. It's got the original sound system, which I think is a Eurovox system. It is absolutely mint. Got beautiful seats. It's got an alarm and a immobiliser, so we'll see if we can get it to go. These are very muscly. Twin throttle bodies, specially developed to go Group A racing. And you know, there's not many cars in the world other than say BMW M3s, Sierra Cosworth RS 500s that were actually made to go motor racing. They produced the road car so that they could race them. And this is the last of the breed. After this, they started to make V8 supercars, which were made for the job but not related to the road cars as much. Now this beautiful, and I mean beautiful, immaculate VN Group A HSV car, very rare and very special, is going to auction Gray's Classic Cars on the 21st of October. So get online, have a look at it. It is an absolute ripper.